Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today I have a mega giveaway for you all. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you the info in a minute. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today, as I said, we got a mega giveaway that's about to take place today on this video. So make sure you tell all your friends, share this video with other people so they too can have an opportunity to win a free watch face. Now, there's going to be 11, count them up, 11 watch faces that's going to be given away on this channel today. Now, it's not going to stop there because we got another giveaway from the same developer coming Friday and on Triple Play Saturday. So you got to make sure you watch those videos in order for an opportunity to win an awesome free watch face from this developer. Now, we want to give special thanks to this developer for donating these watch face codes and for the opportunity to review such an awesome watch face. Cool? Now, you don't have to be a subscriber. All you have to do is comment on the video. That's it. That's all. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get this started. Now, the name of the watch face is called Vibe. Very nice, very colorful. I like the saturation of colors with this one. And in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down. But when it's on, if you look up at the top, you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, with your battery percentage, it's showing green, right? Which means that I'm over 50%. And it's shaded kind of green in that spot, but once it goes red, it's going to shade red. Now you come down, of course, you get your day of the week. I like the fact that it's spelled out. PM stamp along with your digital time, date, month. Up under that, you're going to get your step count and your step count percentage for whatever goal you set it for. So I'm liking this, right? But it's also interactive. So if you need to go in, get more info on your step status, you can do that. And you can also tap here and you can pull up your calendar just in case you need to set an event. And if you tap on the 9, you'll be able to set your alarm. So I'm liking what the developer brought to the table with this watch face. It's unique, it's different. This one here is an everyday casual watch face that can be played dressed down. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please hit the like button on the way out. Share this video with other people. And if you could, because this is going to help out the channel, watch the commercial at the beginning of the video because it's going to allow us to bring about some product giveaways as well as watch face giveaways. Okay, you all, that's it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And with that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.